Little birdie, why you do the things that you do? Oh, hi, Red. Hi, Bubbles. Red, I'm over here. Not you. Sorry. Ever since the Angry Birds got their official names, people have been confusing the two of us. You tell me, sister. Well, the mighty eagle finally showed up. Yeah, he can be a little bit of a distant figure, but we always like having him around. What happened to your feathers? Jay, is it? I'm not Jay, I'm Jim. I'm Jay. And I'm Jake. Whatever. Wait, that's it. We'll get a bird keeping job at some place where birds are and get rich somehow. What do you need money for, Link? You got a lot of rupees. It's for Kirby more than anything. What? You're going to look through the ads in the newspaper for a real job. I'm a Star Warrior. I already have a job. What is all this about, Link? You haven't been burning through your payment again, have you? I'm just saying, ever since Smash Brothers Ultimate, work has just been slow for us. I know a way we can get some business back up and running. Come on, follow me. Hello, Link. Oh, hello, Dr. Strange. I guess you knew we were coming. You might say that. What is this about? You said you were looking for a job for Kirby. I told you I'm fine. You've been spending a lot of time at the races, haven't you, Link? The Eye of Agamotto doesn't lie. Look, the horse that was in there looked a lot like Catherine. I thought I could get through it. They let me off the hook, so just shut up about it, okay? Am I missing something? No, Wanda. All right, then. I'll be over here practicing my chaos magic if you need me, Strange. Why not get some help with the Angry Birds? Making money in our own place? No, it works perfect, Link. I give my money to you, and then you've made lots of money. Huh? Huh? Hi? Hey, what seems to be the problem? Tweet, tweet. You don't look like any other bird I've ever seen. Course I am. I'm a peregrine falcon. Come on, Link, haven't you ever heard of the no-footed, no-feathered falcon? Wait a minute. You're not a falcon. You're a funny falcon. Why does this keep happening to me? Right, we're not birds. We're the Angry Birds. What do you want from us? Apparently Link needs a good paying union job. No, you don't, Link. The rupee money thing is from when we held you beat Ganondorf. There must have been some mistake with the transfer. Well, I got what I wanted, so we don't need to look for some jobs after all. I'll be with the others, Samus. And I don't have a bone to pick with you either. Sorry about the mix-up. We done all that talking to Doctor Strange for nothing? Such is the day of a smash, brother. Yeah, such is the day of a... Wait a minute. So, are you nervous about Thanksgiving? I figured as much. Well, the pigs will have it even more tough. What? Some people prefer ham over turkey? Watch your tone, Stella. Sorry. Just try not to eat all the candied yams for once, Bubbles. Okay, I'll try. Not you. Sorry. I hate inside jokes. Well, Kirby, it looks like we've done a good job at tricking Samus. Yep, that we did. That we... What? I just remembered. I got a call from General Pepper. Come back here, you!